What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Tencent Holdings with the ticker symbol 700. I will first go over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So we're seeing a lot of weakness in the Chinese stocks, so Tencent is obviously going to be affected by that too. Dollar is getting a little bit more stronger, and these Chinese stocks are still kind of weak. So let's go over the chart so you can find out where it's headed next. There was this obvious uptrend in play in the past. Usually when you see a break of a channel, you get two attempts at the previous high. So this was the first attempt from the bulls. This was the second attempt, and it looks like we're going down right now. So these two attempts could be the failure that sends prices down. However, we are at support, so I can't say for sure we're going to go lower because we are at support. So this support level could hold, and we could probably see another push up higher. So right now this was previous support. There was a failed breakout. Prices came back and tested for support right over here. So we could probably still make another leg up. That's not out of the question. So another leg up is possible if this correction bottoms out right here. Also, there was two legs down for the bears. So there was one leg down here, two legs down. Perfect measure move led to a nice impulse higher. So since the measure move target is met and we're at support, it's not really looking that bearish, but it's not really looking that bullish either. So I like to call these areas transition areas, meaning it's like a 50-50 shot. There's not really a clear imbalance going on in the chart. We could probably go higher. That would probably be the best bet if there's some type of short trap right here. But if it doesn't, then obviously prices want to work its way lower. Maybe we get another larger measure move down. So these two legs would be just one larger leg, and that would take prices, probably to the 250s if we start dropping from where we are right now. So again, it needs to hold this level right here. This level right here is not really a strong support. It was only tested once, so I wouldn't even consider this, a strong support. Where we are right now is a strong support, but if we get down to this level, this 310 level, there's a good chance price will probably break it, and we'll probably see lower prices. So right now, we have to wait to see what the market wants to do. We are at this support level, but again, that doesn't mean it's looking that bullish either, because prices should have continued higher a little more than this. So we just got rejected. Maybe there is this type of channel working lower, kind of close right there. So there could be this downward pressure working in for Tencent. So we'll see. So that's all I have on the daily chart. Let's take a look at the weekly chart. So here's the weekly chart. And if you look at the macro structure, you can see why we're still kind of seeing this downward pressure is because this previous downtrend was in play. So there's very nice downtrend in play. Prices broke the channel and made a nice uptrend. So this was the nice uptrend right here. But like I said before, when we see a break of a channel, usually price will try to retest the previous extreme in the form of two attempts. So this was the previous extreme for the downward channel. This was the previous extreme for the upward channel. So it looks like the bears tried once to go lower. So they tried once right here. They tried twice. So they got below the EMA. So it looked like a long trap is setting up right here because the bulls tried twice also too. So there was one attempt from the bulls here, two attempts. They can't even make it up anymore, and we're seeing already a reversal right now. So this could be a bull trap, meaning the bulls tried two attempts to go higher, failed with the bias, which is still kind of down because this downtrend is not played out. And also for the bears, the measurable target has not been met yet. So that's something to keep an eye on, because a lot of times these targets are met, not all the time. But if price is still trending in that direction, or it looks weak in the opposite direction, there's a good chance price might reverse and then continue to try to reach the measurable target. So this one is not met yet at the 152 level, so that might be reached in the future. We'll have to wait and see. But right now we are at support. We'll see if this level holds, and I'll give you guys an update next week, Thursday. So this could be a bull trap. It could also be a short trap. So right now I don't know. If this continues the way we are right now, then obviously it's a long trap and we're going to probably continue much lower. But we could still do kind of like a higher low situation, meaning we create a low that's higher than this previous one for higher prices. So we could still do that because we're still at support. So we'll just have to wait and see. Traders might be just waiting for more confirmation to enter a long trade. So that's all I have for Tencent on the daily and weekly charts. And I'll give you guys an update next week, Thursday. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time. The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now.